You slept 8 hours last night. So why do you still feel like your body ran a marathon in your dreams? Here's the shocking part. More than 1 in 3 adults wake up tired even after a full night's sleep. And wait for it, most don't even realize what's happening inside their brain while they sleep. If you feel tired the moment you open your eyes, this video will finally explain why. Waking up exhausted isn't just annoying, it's your body trying to tell you something. And no, you're not lazy, and it's not just stress. According to the CDC, 32% of adults report poor sleep quality, even when they sleep 7 to 9 hours. And the biggest problem? People assume sleep quantity is the same as sleep quality. But here's the truth. You can sleep 8 hours and still wake up tired if your sleep cycles, hormones, or breathing patterns are disrupted. Today, I'll break down 7 scientific reasons this happens, plus 5 things you can start tonight to fix it. Here's the crazy part. You can sleep 8 hours and still wake up feeling drugged if you wake up during deep sleep instead of light sleep. Your brain cycles through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM several times each night. If your alarm goes off while you're in deep sleep, your brain is yanked out of repair mode and you feel groggy for hours. Think of it like shutting down a computer during an update. Everything gets corrupted. Surprising fact, studies show that waking from deep sleep can reduce mental alertness by up to 40% for the next hour. Analogy, it's like being pulled out of a swimming pool while you're at the deepest point underwater. Not all sleep is equal. You might be in bed for 8 hours, but if you're not getting at least 20% deep sleep and 20 to 25% REM, you'll wake up tired. Deep sleep repairs your body. REM repairs your mind. But here's the twist. Things like stress, alcohol, poor diet, and screen time crush your deep sleep without you noticing. Blue light from your phone can reduce REM sleep by up to 50%. It's like going to the gym, but skipping the part where your muscles actually grow. You're supposed to wake up with high energy because your body naturally releases cortisol in the morning. However, when cortisol is out of sync due to stress, late-night scrolling, or irregular sleep patterns, you wake up feeling drained. Your body basically forgets how to turn on. Irregular sleep schedules can shift your cortisol release by 1 to 3 hours, making mornings feel impossible. It's like a car engine that refuses to start even when the tank is full. You might be sleeping, but your body might be suffocating for seconds at a time. Sleep apnea causes tiny breathing interruptions, dozens or even hundreds of times per night. You don't fully wake up, but your brain panics enough to pull you out of deep sleep repeatedly. Up to 80% of sleep apnea cases go undiagnosed. It's like someone tapping your shoulder every few minutes all night. You don't remember it, but you never truly rest. Your internal clock controls when you feel awake and when you feel tired. But artificial light, irregular sleep schedules, and nighttime phone use confuse this internal clock. If your circadian rhythm is off by even 1 hour, waking up feels like jet lag, even if you never left home. Shifted circadian rhythms can reduce daytime energy by up to 60%. It's like trying to show up to work on the right day, but the wrong time. Here's where most people get caught off guard. Eating too late, drinking alcohol before bed, scrolling your phone in the dark, sleeping in a room that's too warm. These things can cut your deep sleep nearly in half. Even one late-night meal can delay REM sleep by up to 90 minutes. It's like trying to sleep while your body is busy working overtime. If you consistently wake up tired, even with great habits, it might signal something deeper. Thyroid imbalances, iron deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, chronic inflammation, poor blood sugar regulation. These conditions make your body struggle to create energy, even after a full night of sleep. Low iron alone affects nearly 30% of women and causes morning fatigue. It's like trying to run your phone at 100% brightness on 5% battery. Good news, fixing your morning energy doesn't require magic. Here are 5 science-backed habits you can apply starting tonight. 1. Follow the 90-minute wake rule. Wake up at the end of a sleep cycle, not in the middle. Use apps or alarms that track sleep cycles. Why it works? Your brain wakes naturally during light sleep. 2. 60-minute no-screen rule before bed. No blue light for 1 hour before sleep. Use warm lighting instead. Why it works? This boosts melatonin production by up to 58%. 3. Make your room 16 to 19 degrees Celsius, 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool rooms increase deep sleep. Why it works? Lower temperature signals to your body that it's time for recovery mode. 4. Optimize your circadian rhythm. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Your cortisol, melatonin, and energy hormones realign. 5. Get checked for sleep apnea or vitamin deficiencies, especially if fatigue lasts longer than 2 to 4 weeks. Fixing the underlying cause can double your energy levels. Which one of these reasons fits your situation the most? Tell me in the comments. Your experience might help someone else. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe. Sleep smarter, not just longer. And I'll see you in the next video.